Ministério Saúde se Reativa Intervensaun ba COVID-19. Tambah dadang ne COVID-19 Mosu ona iha nação India, Bangladesh, no Tailândia. Vice-ministro Fortalecimento Institucional Saúde, José Magno dos Reis reconhece los de unicata caso via respiratório mos, dadang ne saiba bebê. Tambah ne Ministério Saúde foi na atenção, atuativa fila Fali Intervensaun sira, quando ba preventiva, o ensamak bele controla COVID-19.
Bahwa dengan kata kita konten kita ba COVID ne meida lai problema tambah kita ne resultado ser ulok kita tenemos kita reconhecimento de organismo de saúde então baita makne baita Timor ser outro makne quando a atividade de prevenção do quando vai vacinação nem investimento dia que baita agora itu buat ser sempre husu main amin dia tahu sangkala wasan tahu vacina kita holai a vacina ida ne ba nem investimento se tabel hetam sangra completo ita nuan sera bele sangra completo ona lavar ser nem unidade hoton moras del mai nos bem você bem itu ande dia kon mas se ita zero hela la hetam batida então eu sei que sai risco pode
Moras COVID-19 ne makanesang inus meeting no inus bem no iha tinang kotu kliba COVID-19 nebe Mosu iha nação Timor-Leste nenia percentagem sai makas enquanto representante da Organização Mundial Saúde iha Timor-Leste Arvin matur husu ba comunidade sira atau prevene ang husi COVID-19 idane no hatene katak banhira hetang COVID-19 tem que iha prevenção nela ona fating
COVID-19 is increasing in the India, Bangladesh and Thailand, and it is a variant which is called N1.8.1, which is a new adaptation, new variant, and it is being classified as variant under monitoring. The variant has not shown any change in terms of causing more severe disease or more hospitalization, so it is overall risk is low. So the number of cases which have been reported are as a result of more testing that has been going on because COVID-19 virus is around. So it's not that it hasn't gone, it has gone somewhere. So it is because of the testing, and the message is the same in terms of prevention in relation to like same use mask when you are in a closed environment, and hygiene and washing, keeping the distance when it is, like when you are in that environment. In terms of Timor-Leste preparations, the testing of the possible sample is very much part of the laboratory capacity. So National Health Laboratory has that testing capacity still available. Should there be a need, there is no change in the vaccination strategy, and because the vaccination is available in Timor-Leste, should there be a need, it can be provided. And because overall risk is low, there is very unlikely chances that we would have any challenging situation in Timor-Leste as of now.
Nune liga ba preocupação população nian. Kono ba Timor-Leste possibilidade kik bele tama, mai bem na fatin alertação katak. Kulia kono ba teste Ministério Saúde iha capacidade laboratório. Nebe mak iha reportagem Marquita da Silva, Televisão Timor Post.
Janela informação ba emohoto. Atua tem informação atual dia Clio, kita haluha, hanya yang botão subscribe, like, halo comentário, no fahe tutang ba media sosial hoto.